These are some unpacking and assembly instructions for the st405 and st405bA and baf. First, remove the carton and all packing materials. Then remove the side panel and ground wire. Remove the seat belt, as well as the top plastic cover using an Allen wrench. Once you've removed the top plastic cover, remove the seat belt if it will be equipped with the Techno Roller on the bead breaker side of the machine. Then remove the set screw for your bead breaker arm, as well as the 3-position sleeve. Remove your C-clip for your bead breaker pin and pull it down. Install your bead breaker with the flat position pointed out and install your 3-position sleeve and pin. Don't try and tighten the set screw yet. We'll get to that in just a minute. Now install the hinge pin for your bead breaker. Install the C-clip on top of that. Then pull the bead breaker out manually to extend the shaft. Then put the 3-position sleeve in the shortest position and tighten the set screw. Next, install the spring. You can use the packing material which held the box on. Simply pull it over the tab. You can pull the strap out. Install your tank. You want to make sure that you put the bolts from the inside pointing towards the tank. Then lift the tilt tower cylinder up till its fully extended position. Then you want to install the hose coming from the tower down inside the machine. There are 3 slots. Use the largest one. When installing the tower, we're viewing it from the bead breaker side. You want to make sure that the pinhole is just above the top of the cabinet and push it through the cylinder and the eye bolt. You can attach an eye bolt to the Techno Roller and lift the whole assembly. A 3/8 eye bolt will work, but it is a metric thread. If using a standard 3/8 eye bolt, make sure that you have a jam nut to lock down on top of the Techno Roller. Install 2 bolts in the top and 2 in the rear. The one that which the seat belt goes into, make sure you use the bolt from the Techno Roller and do not use any washers on the inside or outside. Then tighten the pinch bolt to the cabinet. Install your bottom arm with 2 shims and put the bolt up from the bottom. Then, on your locking arm, remove the rear Allen set screw and insert it into the Techno Roller. Once inserted, reinstall the Allen screw. Take off the clip pin, attach it to the arm, then remove the cap from your rear roller, insert it into the Techno Roller, then reinstall the cap on the rear of it. Loosen the Allen screw and install your roller/disc assembly. Just get it barely snug. Install your knob, then install your disc. If to be equipped with the following arm, remove the nut and push the bolt down so you can simply insert it using the two shims. The larger shim would go at the bottom. You may use the long bolt to drive out the short bolt coming up from the bottom to keep everything lined up. Then install your support leg with the 4 screws that are already provided in the Techno Roller. To hook air into the Techno Roller, what you're going to do is remove that cap screw and insert it over that end, the other end of the hose, and then remove the air going to the oiler. Plug the T into the oiler and the other hose into the opposite side of the T. You do want to also hook your airline to your lock for your Techno Roller cylinder. When equipped with a Techno Roller, you must remove a portion of the bottom panel so it will clear the Techno Roller. Then install with the 2 Allen screws you removed.